The Bentley Wall fan is a cage-style fan with an oscillating head. The fan is damp rated for indoor or covered outdoor use and is available as the Bentley 2 with an 18-inch blade span or the Bentley 3 with a 22-inch blade span. To install the fan, you will need a power drill and a stud finder. Begin by locating a stud on the desired wall. Mark the stud and align the wall mounting bracket above. Mark the holes in the bracket. Use a 3 32" drill bit to drill into all the marked holes. Realign the wall mounting bracket over the holes, then insert all 6 included wood screws. Remove both thumb screws from the wall mounting bracket. Bring the fan assembly to the wall and align the holes on the base with the 4 hooks on the bracket. Press the base downward to lock the fan in place. Reinstall both thumb screws. Remove both straps from the binder. Then unclip to release. Attach the plug to a standard wall outlet for indoor use or a GFCI outlet for covered outdoor use. The installation is complete and the fan is ready to operate. The speed knob allows you to change the fan speed. The oscillation knob allows you to toggle the oscillation function. You can set the knob to the off position at any time to keep the fan pointed in a desired direction. Never move the fan head manually. Doing so will damage the oscillation motor. If your fan is not powering up, disconnect the fan and inspect the fuse in the plug. The fan cage can be disassembled for cleaning or replacement. First, remove all front guard screws. Unscrew the blade cover by turning clockwise. Use the included Allen wrench to loosen the set screw behind the blades. Remove the blade assembly. Remove all rear guard screws. The rear guard can now be removed and the fan is now fully disassembled. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.